Tony, is it fair to say it was probably a result where you might have taken or a day where you might have taken a point beforehand, but as it turned out in the end, it's slightly disappointing?
Yeah, we're definitely taking a point before the game. Bala, very strong team, very experienced. Been successful in this division for a number of years now. So yeah, coming here we would have definitely taken a point. And then at the end, we held on and took the point, but on the balance of play and the opportunities we made, especially first half, then a couple of good chances started the second half. The keepers made 2 very good saves first half of Jordan, who's tipped onto the post, and then the 1v1 with Ben second half. So their keepers had more to do than our keeper today, but listen, if you don't take your chances, the teams are staying in the game at 1-0, and that's what Bala do. They do it very well, and when they got their good chance, they took it, and that's it. It's a point, and we move on.
And performance-wise, quite different to last week, possibly. Last week was more on the front foot, more perhaps dominant, but today was better matching physically, but probably just as pleasing, really.
Yeah, listen, coming here and the way Bala play, we know that we have to match their physicality, and I thought the boys were very good at that today. It's something that we've spoken about, where we have to compete physically with teams and try and stop what they do, what they're good at, and for the vast majority of the game we did that. We limit them to very few chances, but at the same time, when we've got chances, we've got to take them, and we didn't take them today.
And just on the goal, then it was nice, good finish from Jack, and good for him as well. Confidence player, and that'll be good for him.
Yeah, listen, forwards or forward players, they thrive off scoring goals, and Jack's had a great chance. It was a difficult chance, but he took it really well. It was a great goal, great team goal. So yeah, pleased with Jack. Listen, I don't really care who scores as long as we score goals, and all the players need to share that. And we've talked about it in the dressing room. It's not just down to the strikers to win games of football. We have enough set pieces today to get on the end of one of those as well, and put one of those away, but we didn't do it, and Bala then punished us when they had that chance.
Just on our support then, there was a nice little sort of pocket of supporters come up here today. Quite a journey. So nice to obviously not give them the win in the end, but it was a good performance for them to come and see.
Yeah, definitely. I'm sure they would think the same before the game, that Bala's a tough place to go. I think we lost quite heavily here last year, so to go home with a point away from home, you have to respect a point away from home, especially at a place like Bala. And we're going pleased today, and just look forward to next week at home against Airbus, and that's our focus now next week.